That's how bad it smells. He's like, oh, air, air, air. Oh, shit. See, this kid, she fucking locks him out, so he's concentrated all day. He's like, oh, I gotta go. I can't hold this no more. What are you gonna do to me, bitch? What are you doing? So she goes over to his little food area. He's like, she won't notice. He's a pile this big and walks away. He's like, shit, there's no sand over here. What am I gonna do? It's alright. Oh, it smells. He goes away. She comes home. Anna, what's this doo-doo on the floor? It's not mine. Go ask Mom. Mom, what is this doo-doo on the floor? Oh, I'm sorry, honey. I had to take a little dump. Are you kidding? Yes, I'm kidding. You want to think I'm gonna shit on the floor? Panties. What is this? I'm sorry. I'm constipated. Don't look at me! Now I have to clean up this doo-doo. Look at that. Eye of the tiger right there. He's like, dude, I took a big one. Evacuate. Evacuate! See, now he's all like... Look at him. He's cleaning his ass now. He's like, oh man, that shit hurt. It hurt too much. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh. This is nice. See, there's no need for a second person. Oh, look at my wee-wee. Oh, shit. Don't look at me. You didn't see nothing. I was washing myself. I'm sorry. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. I'm watching you, bitch. What do you fucking think this is? What, you trying to make her go take a bath? I don't think so. I'm gonna sit my fat ass down. Maybe some more. Can't see nothing. I'm not going to the beach with you. Why? Because I don't like the beach. Come on. No!